Before we start, please, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, thanks. There's a saying that says our nails, hair, and skin often tell us how healthy we are, and are signs of how healthy our diet is. Foods that inflame our cells and cause a breakdown to end up tearing apart the collagen, keratin, and elastin that provide supple skin, strong and silky hair, and strong, fast-growing nails. Toxic overload, stress, and poor diet all contribute to lackluster skin, dry and brittle hair, and brittle nails that never seem to grow. One of the neatest things about eating a healthy diet is your nails, hair and skin are often the first things to change for the better when your diet improves. A plant-based diet provides all the nutrients your nails, hair, and skin needs to look their best. Some foods, however, do contain more nutritional properties that support their growth and overall health than others do. Here are 5 of the best to offer up some of the most overall nutritional components to provide amazing nails, hair, and skin quickly. Continue watching, for foods that will help you achieve thicker hair and healthy nails. Salmon. Eating salmon, halibut and other fatty fish is an excellent way to boost the health of your hair and skin. You'll get tons of protein, essential omega-3 fatty acids, iron and vitamin B12 in one tidy package. Omega-3 fatty acids can help protect the skin from sun damage and support scalp health. Getting plenty of protein also helps ward off hair loss. And for the ultimate 1-2 punch, iron and vitamin B12 can make hair color more vibrant. Eggs. Want strong and healthy nails? Crack open an egg. This tasty item is packed with a protein punch that is very easily digested. Your body will use every little bit of it. Along with protein, eggs also bring vitamin A, vitamin E, iron, vitamin B7, and vitamin B12 to the table. Whip up an omelet, a frittata, or boil a couple of eggs for snacking throughout the day. Carrots. All those little bunnies are onto something. Foods rich in beta-carotene, like carrots, turn into the antioxidant powerhouse vitamin A. This golden nugget has remarkable anti-aging properties, promotes healthy hair and nail growth, and has been shown to combat diabetes-related symptoms. You can also find beta-carotene in spinach, broccoli, peas, and romaine lettuce. Whey protein. Your hair needs protein to produce keratin, the proteins that make hair strong, says Dr. Zeichner. If hair doesn't receive enough protein, it can go into a resting phase, causing noticeable hair loss, adds Beth Warren, author of Living a Real Life with Real Food. Try adding a scoop of whey protein to your morning smoothie for a simple boost. Bonus: whey protein may help control your appetite. In one study, people who drank whey protein ate 18% less 2 hours later than those who drank a carb-heavy beverage. Red meat. Did you know you shouldn't microwave ground beef, or freeze it in its original packaging? Watch this video from Southern Living to learn about the common mistakes people make when cooking ground beef, and how you can avoid them for a healthier, tastier meal. Blueberries. Sprinkle these juicy little balls of goodness on your morning oatmeal or grab a handful as a midday snack. Blueberries have the highest antioxidant properties of all fruits and vegetables. They tell free radicals and other aging influences on your body to take a hike. They've been touted as the greatest health food of all time and, even better, they're delicious. In addition to their anti-aging capabilities, blueberries also combat acne. Almonds. Have you jumped on the almond milk bandwagon yet? If you check out labels on many store-bought brands, you'll often find sugar, stabilizers, and other additives. Watch this video to learn how to make your almond milk at home. Not only is it surprisingly easy, but you'll also save money. Milk. More research still needs to be done, but some studies suggest a link between vitamin D and hair loss. Example: women with hair shedding had lower vitamin D levels than women with healthy hair, according to a skin pharmacology physiology study. Plus, Koff says calcium is a key mineral in building healthy hair and nails. Note: you need vitamin D to absorb calcium. Of course, vitamin D fortified milk offers both, but speak to your doctor about a vitamin D supplement if you think you might be deficient. Brazil nuts. Rats deficient in selenium, a trace element linked to protection against oxidative stress, have sparse hair growth, says a study in PLOS One. Just 6 to 8 Brazil nuts meet almost 800% of your recommended daily value, according to the National Institutes of Health. Walnuts. To keep your strands strong and luscious, snack on some walnuts. They are chock full of 2 secret ingredients for gorgeous locks: omega-3s, which keep your hair hydrated, and vitamin E, which repair damaged follicles. Plus, walnuts also contain copper, which studies have shown may keep your natural color rich and stave or premature grayness. Thanks for watching. Please, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks.